Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to be going through the shadcn for Svelte setup using a GitHub Codespace. So it's very easy. I'm just going to create a new repository and then literally run through the documentation for SvelteKit shadcn. So let's get into it. Let's go demo shadcn svelte, create a repository. I've messed that repository name up, but that doesn't matter. Create codespace, new codespace, let that set up. I had to be bothered about the messed up repository name because this is literally just for demo purposes. So once it gets set up, we can then run through the guidance. Okay, now our codespace is set up, we can then go onto the SvelteKit shadcn setup, and it's literally as easy as following this through. So we're going to use npm, and we're going to create the my app and add tailwind CSS. Just allow that, and enter on that. Give it a second to load. Yes, we want to proceed. We will go as SvelteKit minimal. We won't use TypeScript. Happy with basics for now. Just allow that as well. And we're using npm to install dependencies. Give that a second to install. There we are, we're all set. What I need to do now is change directory to your app. There we are. Then npm run dev open. This will open straight up in a new browser. And there we are. Welcome to SvelteKit. So from here you can run the CLI. So we are going to install the latest version of shadcn-svelte in our terminal. Let that load. Maybe we need to Control C and re-input it. There we are. Let's proceed with the latest version. So you can give preset, we'll just use pre-configured presets. Enter in all of this just to use the literal defaults. Components, utils, hooks. Yep, that can be overwritten. And install dependencies again. Once this is installed, like now, you can literally go ahead and start to import your components. So let's copy that to clipboard. We want to install the button. Are we ready to install? Yes. Enter. Boom, components added. That will then fall under my app, source, library, components, and there's your button. Simple as that. One tip I'd also say is install Svelte for VS Code. So yeah, you format it out now this and it recognises that it's Svelte. So this is your button, and then you can literally import your button. I've took out language TypeScript because that's not installed. So yeah, that's your button, and here it is. If you found this useful at all, like and subscribe. I will do more videos like this, and yeah, hope you enjoy.